Here's a pair of the Sony earbuds, model number WF-C510. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Okay, so first thing is go to your settings on your Android phone. So let's go to settings. And then you want to go to your Bluetooth settings. Okay, so I'm going to tap on connections. And I see Bluetooth right there. Tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now I see this little spinny thing right there. It's searching for devices that are in pairing mode under available devices. So everything under here is in pairing mode near me. So we got to hurry up and put this in pairing mode so we can find it down here. Make sure the buds are in. We're going to open the case up. And now there's a little button back here. Okay, a little round button. What we want to do is press and hold that. Keep holding till the light here starts blinking blue, 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 which would indicate that this is in pairing mode, okay? So let me find that button right there. I'm gonna press and hold, ready, go. Holding now, just wait for the blue, 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 blue. Now, we'll go back under available devices. Now I took too long, there's no spinny thing here, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and scan again. And it's still in the pairing mode, you can see there. And now let's see if, oh, there it is, WF-C510. Let's tap on that. We'll probably get a pairing request here. Oh, right there, tap on pair. And now you see we are connected, okay? If you had issues connecting or pairing, you can always factory reset this. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.